This is a place you really want to walk through with sandals on?
I mean, you can't be scared though, you just gotta do it. Most of the shit's gone. Like, you missed. It was so much higher.
I have a pretty good tolerance for this shit, but this is fucking disgusting.
This is the worst one I've ever seen since I've been here.
Oh my gosh!
Bro, this is the master bedroom.
How the fuck did they do this?
I don't know.
This is how you get monkeypox, dude.
What is going on?
Can't even stand.
This is a mountain. We're hitting the ceiling with our head. What?
That's the bed headboard.
Who does this?
We talked about 1 week ago on Friday. Today was Friday, so it's exactly 1 week. This house had 5 feet worth of shit throughout the whole house. Like, you couldn't even walk in this house.
That's a picture on Facebook that you were standing on a mountain.
Oh, shoot? What the frick? That's actually crazy. Dude, that's actually crazy.
All right, guys, so we're at one of the previous ugliest houses in America. And between me and Jay, we made over $150,000 renovating this house over the last 4 or 5 months. Anyhow, we just got this deal sold and it actually closes in a week. So you guys have already seen the before pictures where I literally couldn't even walk. It was like 6 feet worth of crap in the whole house. Now it looks unbelievable. So let's go check it out. So before you couldn't even walk in here, like this was crazy high worth of stuff. I remember I had to like get a step ladder to get in here. I was like literally walking on stuff this high throughout the whole house.
There's trash everywhere.
Trash everywhere, it was crazy. I don't even know how, it took like
That's crazy.
10 dumpsters to get all rid of the stuff. So, I mean, it took them we had like 4 people here for 2 weeks straight just getting all the stuff out. It was crazy. This is the first time that you've been here.
Yeah, it's my first time. That's crazy.
So what do you think?
That looks amazing, I ain't gonna lie.
All right, so let's talk the numbers and we'll check out the rest of the house. So first off, why is Jay here? Jay is here because I bought this house from him. He's the one that found the sellers and he called me up and he sold it to me. So how much did you pay the sellers for this house?
I want to say 170.
Yeah.
170.
So you paid 170 grand. And what'd you sell it to me for?
Like 220.
And I spent between $105,000 and $110,000 renovating this house and getting it ready. So I'm in it for just under $330, and we actually put on the market for $449 like a week and a half ago, and we had 40 showings and over 10 offers. We actually sold it for $15,000 over asking price, which is crazy because the market isn't super hot anymore. We're gonna end up netting close to $100,000 in profit on this flip, and Jay made us
$50,000.
smooth $50,000 just finding the property for me. So together we made $150,000 on this house.
That's crazy.
So let's go check it out and see what it looks like now after it's all cleaned up. Yep, check this out. Bathroom shot. Nice. I love the shower shots.
That's crazy.
I can tell you, I was a little bit nervous when I bought it to see, like, I wasn't sure there was gonna be a lot of buyers that wanted to buy it because there are these big power poles right out here and there's a few of them right by the house, and that is a big deterrent for a lot of people, but they didn't seem to care on this one. So last time I came here, I couldn't even walk in this room because I couldn't even get in it. This is the room right here that you saw me in last time, and I was literally standing on a bed and clothes this high. My head was hitting this ceiling right here because I had to duck, like I couldn't even stand. So this is what it looks like all cleaned out. We redid the floors, painted the whole house, new fixtures, new hardware. This is where we're at now. So I noticed like 42% of you guys are not subscribed to my channel that are watching my video. Why in the fuck aren't you subscribed? Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of these other videos. Hit that notification bell, like, and comment on this video right now. So I looked at all the comps around the neighborhood and I knew that this house had a lot of potential. I knew that this neighborhood could support a really high price if you make it nice enough. So what I saw was that very few people would have bought this house. I mean, you guys saw what it looked like before. I mean, it was disgusting. Like there was food all over the place. Like you couldn't even walk. You couldn't even see the house. You didn't even know what needed to be done to it because there was so much hidden stuff. So it was a little bit of a gamble, but I figured it was a good gamble and it turned out to be a great gamble. So we're in Chamblee, Georgia. This is a really hot area. We're right next to Brookhaven, Georgia, which is really expensive. And We're also not that far from Dunwoody. This is a very prominent area. There's not like a whole lot of homes for sale, and homes go for a lot of money over here. All right guys, so here is the actual house listing on Zillow, so you could see what I listed it for, and I got over asking price. Crazy, I had so many people look at this house and so many offers. So I might have screwed up. I might should have listed it for more and got it for more, but I don't understand why it went for so much right now. So this house is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 1,878 square feet. It's a perfect house for any family. So the reason why I'm a little bit surprised of how many people looked at it and how many people put offers on it is because the market's cooled down a lot over the last 6-8 months. Like if this was 8 months ago, I would have expected it to go for a lot more and have way more people put offers in, but with the current market today, this was very, very good. When I bought this house about 7 months ago in August, I was buying a house every single day. Now I'm buying a house maybe every other day or a little bit less. I haven't ever lost money on a house the last 2.5 years when I bought this house in August. Since August, I've been losing money on 10 to 20% of the homes I bought. So this one was a really good one because this one I'm making over 100,000 on. But Jay over here has sold me many homes. I've bought probably in the double-digit amounts of homes from him for cash, and I always did well on them until the last 6 months. I've actually bought a few deals from him I lost money on, but small money, 5,000, 15,000, but I've really bought a lot of home runs off him as well. So even there's been a few homes that I bought off him that I didn't really want to buy, but because he sells me, you know, all the good deals, I try to buy some of the ones that I'm not sure if they're going to do good. So that's kind of the relationship we have.
And I appreciate it. The way I got in contact with Abraham, probably like 2.5 years, 3 years ago, almost now. Remember I sent him the property in Decatur. Crazy, because when I first emailed him, I didn't think he was a real buyer because, I don't know, he just knows a lot. And so when he called me, I thought it was like a scam or whatever. Long story short, I met him at the property and he ended up buying it from me. And then after that, you know, we just started closing deals left and right. But we've probably done over maybe like 15 deals, maybe close to 20 now. Yeah, I really appreciate Abraham a lot. I learned a lot from him. I haven't really met nobody on his level. Like, honestly, like the level he performs at, I haven't met nobody really in person that's doing it like him. So having somebody like Abraham in your corner is definitely just a blessing, to say the least. Buys houses like, how many houses do you buy a day? Like a week? Like, I don't even know. It's crazy.
Man, I was buying 30 a month for a while until about 6 months ago. Now maybe about half, a little bit less than half, 12 to 15 a month now.
Yeah, so you want somebody like him, gets the job done, he closes quick, and whatever number he say he can do it. He's not gonna go back and try to back out or give you a lower number. So he's transparent from the jump. So y'all need to send y'all deals to Abraham so he could buy them from you.
So you remember that one house that you went to and filmed for Abraham that was like really like the Hoarder house?
Need to like trash type.
Yeah.
And touching the ceiling.
All right, so first off, let's show you the outside.
Oh shoot! What the frick?
Ready?
That's actually crazy. Dude, that's actually crazy. Wow.
Like all the rooms.
So the room that we were standing in is straight ahead. Go to this back room. That's the one that we were like, my head.
That's the one that we were like all the way up, right?
Yeah. We couldn't even get in the other rooms.
That is crazy. Bro, you would have never known that this house was like a hoarder house.
Yeah, this one was bad. I heard. I've never been to this one.
Crazy. Yeah, I got it on film, like on my phone. Wow.
The whole place.
So in this spot was this picture right up there. Can you believe I'm now down here? Crazy. It's so much cleaner, so much more modern, so much nicer. It smells so much better. Although you guys can't smell it, but trust me, before I was able to smell it. So this is the next picture that was right here. Do you remember these pink walls? I couldn't even get in the bathtub. I couldn't even do my favorite picture before because it was jam-packed full. Now I could actually get in there. Come here, let's get in the tub. Man, this is such nice tile. And people are gonna love taking a shower in here. I know I would. What you guys doing? I'm in the bathroom. So now this area was fucking gross. It stunk, it smelled like shit. Now it smells really good. We got rid of this crazy countertop, took some of the wall out. Now it's a big wide open space. How did it turn out? We got all new fixtures, new appliances. Man, this is a sexy backsplash and countertop. So we got rid of all the paneling. We got rid of all the trash. Now this place looks modern. Looks like it's actually from 2023. Super nice, smells really good. People are gonna have a blast in this room. Can you believe what it looked like before and what it looks like now? Amazing. So last time I was here, we actually walked in this room, but we couldn't really walk, I had to jump. I couldn't even walk in the house when I bought it, so I couldn't have came here when I first bought it. They had to like dig the stuff out a little bit at a time and make a path. So it looked really bad in the previous photos, but it was way worse. Like I came literally 2 weeks after they started cleaning it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you wanna see how I bought this house and how I used to buy a house every single day for years, check out this video right up here. Like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos going forward.